That bitch said I'm gifted, she gave me a stiffy, I'm fucking that hoe for the low. Talking about bitches, you know I got plenty, yes I'm a real baby Pluto. I just be getting the bench, they mad that I'm winning, I'm getting 500 a show. Met at Linux and took her to Phipps and brought everything in the store.
Made my life feel like a movie, everything just seems so crazy. They be texting me back, but I don't bother, I said maybe.
Christmas is just around the corner, coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus, a gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up.
3 iced vanilla coffees, please.
What size?
Large, and can I get them on a drink carrier, please?
Original vanilla, right?
Vanilla. Iced vanilla coffees, 3.
Okay, no problem.
And then on a drink carrier.
Yes, no problem.
And that'll be it.
Okay, I see on the window, thank you.
Thank you.
Coming up, right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time. And we've got frosty.
You guys coffee? Thanks. Is it vanilla or caramel?
Vanilla.
I wanted caramel. Every fucking morning you're gonna do this?
Dude,
I thought
the guy wanted caramel.
I thought caramel was on Wednesdays.
No, a fucking caramel on every Tuesday. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Fucking asshole. Well, good to see the Palmers out here. Dude, a cop pulled up on us.
Yeah. For my channel, Palmer Compound.
Hey, Fast and Furious this bitch and go under. No, he's just oh! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Man, I really do miss my Tesla. I'll get another one soon.
Is that blinker fluid?
Yeah, blinker fluid.
Yeah, it's full right now.
Why do you need blinker fluids in order to turn your blinkers on?
Well, here's the thing. How would the blinkers work?
Electricity?
No, fluid.
The lights.
Fluid.
Isaiah, you ever had, anger built up inside?
Yes.
You ever wanted to release that anger?
Yes.
Here you go.
Holy shit.
Beat the crap out of it.
Right on the windshield. Windshield.
Windshield. Crack that thing.
Yeah. Oh, daddy. Daddy. Yes, daddy.
You just go like this.
Oh!
Why would you do that?
Dude, well, it doesn't run anyways. Wait, you listen to Tanner Fox? You watch his stuff?
Of course.
Do you like it?
I mean, why, what kind of question is that to ask somebody who's subscribed to him and literally watches all of his content?
Personally, I think he's an alcoholic.
Alcoholic for speed.
Yeah, he's a druggy alcoholic kid. That one?
No, he loves speed therapy.
We're talking about the same Tanner Fox, right? No. Look who decided to show up.
Oh my god, look at that wide body.
That wide body?
I just came in my pants.
It's a thick red bone, huh?
I just came in my pants. What the fuck?
Oh, thanks.
Okay then. I don't know how to react to that, but hell yeah. I'm finna dip though.
No, man.
Why?
Meet Tanner.
No, me too, bro. I have a burger waiting for me at home.
A burger?
Yeah, I'm eating.
You're not gonna meet Tanner?
Bring the rest over, brother.
Isaiah, come here.
Carl.
Tanner, that was your biggest fan. He's so nervous to meet you. I know.
I'm subscribed.
He said that?
Yeah.
Dude, he's a cool kid though. We all made it to Duluth.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Oh, for sure, pothead. Crackhead / alcoholic.
I love doing drugs.
There's Jake. Oh! Don't be gentle, it's just a rental. There's so much going on, always. Oh! 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 He's gonna hit! He's gonna hit! Oh my god! Bro! You almost skimmed the fucking rail! Holy shit! Dude, you were so close to that.
I knew it was close.
Oh my. Fucking nerd. Your turn, your turn. Alright. You got it. Oh! Hey Kyson, he's way better than you. Oh, so dude? What? You go to the race or what? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. I can't breathe. I can't breathe, bro.
I can't breathe.
Let's get out of here. This isn't my house. I swear I don't live here. Holy fuck. You smoked out the neighborhood, bro. What up, man? How you been? Holy shit. I might have to hit your Google hard drive.
My Google hard drive?
Yeah, your Google drive.
I know all about it.
You gotta fake it till you make it in YouTube. Like, all my clips are gonna be Zay's
This could be
clips.
your clip right now, dude.
Yeah.
Specifically your clip.
Yeah, I'm faking it till we make it. And you're gonna go down in this fucking race. You know that, right? You're gonna lose. You know why? Because your brother's gonna beat you.
Oh, just like last time, bud.
You'll be nothing in the racing industry.
Kyson hasn't won. He's got DQ.
That's true. You get
I've won.
Look at that's why he didn't win. Yeah, if you wear Monster, you're going to win. You know?
You guys hear that?
It's the releasing the beast, you know?
Unleash the beast.
Yeah.
The slogan, unleash the beast.
Yeah, look, like you obviously know he's pro.
Love's not for everyone, but I still try. I've been holding on, don't know why. Love's not for everyone, but I still try. Yeah, baby, what you talking about? Don't know how to act. Looking at your phone, but you won't hit me back. I'm not getting rest till I get you in my bed. I'm not asking much, baby, just give me respect. I ain't giving you a follow, I ain't giving you a check. You want the Chanel, but ain't putting work for that. Come on, baby, show me what you got, bring it back. Drinking and smoking, I know you love to do that. Yeah.
Shane, you good?
Again, another shifter.
What happened?
Dude flew off the track and landed straight to me. Oh, it hurts so bad I can't even move. Here, I'll take it.
Fuck, dude. Hey, boy, yeah!
I'm reckless, I'm dumb, according to you, but you don't know shit, huh? You don't know how I move. I'm rolling, I'm smoking and do.
Dude hit me so hard. Where's where my foot was? Look at my foot.
Sick, dude. Stick to bikes, man.
I need to stick to BMX. Head-on collisions.
You're an idiot.
Dude, all these freak accidents lately.
Is that your dirt bike kid?
Oh, DBK all day. Yo, if I took a picture and I tagged him, and he like reposted my story, I would repost his story. Yeah.
That's clout.
Love's not for everyone, but I still try. I've been holding on, don't know why.
About 30 years.
Say hi to the vlog. What's up, YouTube? Say hi to the vlog. Hi. I like pussy. Mwah. Oh, we're on the vlog. Hands up. What's up, YouTube? Just out here. Shane, we love you. Mwah. Just out here, barbecue sauce on my titties.
Hey, it looks like I'm in a Buttery Films vlog right now.
This is like an Uber pool.
I'm the microwave version of Buttery Films. I drive his truck and I ride his bike. Oh hey, by the way, thanks for the cool montage that you just did.
Oh, I did a montage.
Well, not like a montage, but just all the clips that you provided me, like in those last clips.
I got you guys, dude.
Yeah, because that's
Hey,
you.
Google Drive.
Yeah, yeah. That's this guy's just on some goat shit, you know. Let's go, Kaden! Holy shit! I had to run over here for the shot. Let's go! Kaden and Kyson! Yeah! No! No! Go, 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 go! Kyson, let's go! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! You landed on it.
I watch this shit all the time, bro.
Do you really?
Yo,
I love it. Thank you so much.
Bro. It's funny as fuck. I was like, yo, I think that's homie. Oh my God, it's HEMECULA, man.
Thank you so much,
Hey,
bro.
it's nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Hey,
Thank you. Dude just got fucking landed on.
Ah, you fucking cop.
Wait, what'd he do? What's your problem? Hey, what'd he do?
What do you do?
People hurt. What
do you do?
I said stop and
Hey, stop.
Did I hit it down?
Bro, you get fucking.
Hey, he's racing, having fun, have fun.
Hey, what'd he do? He didn't do anything.
Hey,
He didn't do anything. Let's go. Palmer's all the way. Palmer's all the way. Palmer compound all the way.
Compound on it. More G's, baby.
Palmer compound all the way. Number one. Let's go. Yes. You fucking leading the race the whole time. Yes. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, especially because you're so much better than Kyson. I know. Oh, this is absolutely fucking insane. Some lady did.
What's up, baby? We just threw $500 on this comp. Shreddy coming through to support the cause.
Shout out to Shreddy.
We're trying to give back to these local boys. Hopefully, like a no-namer wins this shit.
Dude.
There's some big names. I've had my money on you, dog.
I know. Well, I'm fucked, bro. I got my foot cracked. Look at this thing.
Wander down, bro.
I know. I wanted to, but I mean, it is what it is.
We need a door go for our guy because he has a busted ass foot. The jump jam's about to come out. He's gonna walk with $500.
This is insane. You guys give me an 8-lap moto.
Gotta get him fired up.
Dude, I'm not walking properly, and I'm not riding properly, and that bike's wrecked.
Which I think a lot of these guys are.
No, you got it.
I don't think there should be too much problems right here.
You got it.
Rizzy,
Oh, big deal.
film?
Showing how it's
can
done.
you film? Of all times.
Land on the landing.
You riding?
The ride out. So that's gonna be it. Oh my God.
Let's go! Hey, HEMECULA! Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back.
That's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies.
Smoking the Zaza, it go straight to the Mata. Then I open the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he gets my cha-cha. It go straight to the Mata. Then I open the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I open his lata, then he gets my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm on my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back in this bullshit. Swim back with a full clip. They say I'm moving.
What are you looking at, you fucking nerd?
Yeah, what are you looking at, you fucking nerd?
What are you looking at, you fucking nerd?
I'm looking at Rizzy, how he just came all the way out to California just to smoke weed and go back to Canada because he's a loser.
Hey, one day we're gonna be able to afford him to film for us. But for now, he's like too cool. Like, we pass him the camera, and he goes like, give me like $350.
Yeah, I just paid $350 for a COVID test.
Oh yeah, you guys are going to fucking Costa Rica.
It's just gonna be crazy.
So the boys are going to Costa Rica. Meanwhile, I got Paps and Rizzy.
And him.
You guys are just gonna be in there fucking acting like fucking Jay Alvarez and fucking Alexis Ren and shit.
That's my Alexis right there.
We just call him him. He's non-binary.
You should have a shroom on. You should use shrooms here. You guys have shrooms there. It's disgusting looking. I'm gonna punt it.
I don't even like cats, and literally Rizzy came here, and somehow I came home with a cat.
That's it. Freaking end of the freaking shits, dude. Wait, big shout out to Havoc. They actually put up a sick ass event.
Is this actually an outro?
Yeah.
Well, you already know what the fuck happening then. We'll be in Costa Rica. We're gonna have a shroom off. We're gonna have a better video than Shane this weekend.
By the way, I fucking lost. I don't. What was the kid's name? Fucking loser. Do you know the kid's name?
His name's Riley James. Riley James, shout out you for being you and doing you and taking home a dub against X Games gold medalists like Jared McNeil and shit.
It's not like
that's the end of the video. I wasn't at the pit bike event, but here I am doing the outro. Like, subscribe, hashtag, follow, do what the fuck you gotta do to make this immaculate shit go off, bitch. Bye.
I've been holding on, don't know why. Love's not for everyone, but I still try. Yeah, baby, what you talking about? Don't know how to act. Looking at your phone, but you won't